Welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wanted to let people share your Instagram story in a direct message, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you how to enable the option to let others send your Instagram stories through DMs, so your content can be shared even more easily with friends and followers. Let's dive right into the steps. Step 1. First, open the Instagram app on your Android device. Make sure you're signed in and ready to go. Step 2. Once you're in, tap on your story at the top left of the screen. This will open up your story section where you can access all your recent posts and settings. Step 3. At the top right, you'll see a gear icon. Tap on it to open your settings. Step 4. Now, from the settings menu, tap on Story. This is where you can adjust how your story is shared and interacted with. Step 5. Scroll down until you see the option labeled Allow Sharing to Message. Toggle this setting on to allow people to share your Instagram story via direct message. And that's it. You've now successfully enabled the option for others to share your Instagram story with their friends through DMs. This is a great way to increase engagement and get your content in front of more people through private sharing. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more Instagram tips and tricks.